Hi, in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics code to your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen and log into your WordPress admin panel. In the left side of your admin panel, you will find an option of appearance, and in appearance you will find an option of theme editor. Just click this option. Now you are in the theme editor area. In this area, at the right side, you will find some PHP files. You have to select the theme header file. In the theme header file, you will find some code here. You have to put your Google Analytics code in the head section. Let me do it. Just copy your Google Analytics code and put here, enter here, and just paste here. This is a script having Google Analytics code. Now update the file. Your WordPress website is connected with Google Analytics now.